In this video, we're going to be looking at the classic SQL interview question, high protein and low carbs. So let's jump in. As always, on the left, we have the description, and on the right, we have the code. So let's jump into the description before going through the code. So in this question, we're given a table of foods. And in the food, we have three columns: food ID, which is an integer; high protein, which is type text; and low carbs, which is of type text. So food ID is the primary key, and of course we'll have unique values. High protein is an enum of type yes or no, where yes means the food is high in protein and no means it is not. Low carbs again is the same. It's an enum of type yes or no, where yes means the food is low in carbs and no means it is not. So our job is to return the food ID of all the food items that are both high in protein and low in carbohydrates, and the result can be returned in any order. So if we look at this example here, we've got our foods table. We've got 4 items, so 0, 1, 2, 3, and we have to see which ones are both high in protein and low in carbs. So if we look at 0 here, it's high in protein and it's low in carbs, so that will definitely be in our result. We've got 1, which is not high in protein, so it won't be. Then we've got 2, which is high in protein, but not low in carbs, so that will not be in our result. And then we have 3, which is both high in protein and low in carbs, and so therefore it will be in our result. And therefore our output will be both 0 and 3. They are the both that are both high in protein and low in carbs. So let's jump into the code. So this solution is super simple. We're going to use select, which will list the columns to output. In this case, we're just selecting food ID. We're then going to use from, and this will select it from the foods table, as that's the table where we are going to retrieve the data. We'll then use the where clause. So this will filter the rows that we must satisfy. And in this case, we're going to have high protein equaling yes. And will join the two filter conditions. So both must be true. And we need low carbs to also be yes. Let's run the test and see if it passes. Perfect. Let's run the test suite and see if all tests pass. Perfect. All tests pass. If you want to try it out for yourself, a link in the description. And if you got any value out of it, if you could like and subscribe and share with a friend, it helps the channel out a lot. And I will see you in the next one.